Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're reviewing can Coinbase be hacked? While no platform is 100% immune to cyber attacks, Coinbase uses multiple security features to help protect user accounts. These include two-factor authentication, encrypted data, fraud monitoring, and cold storage, where most customer crypto is kept offline. Coinbase also lets you enable extra security settings such as passkeys or security keys for better account protection. However, many account compromises happen because of phishing emails, weak passwords, or scams, not because Coinbase itself was hacked. That's it. Keep your account secure by using a strong password, enabling 2FA, and never sharing your verification codes with anyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Coinbase tutorials.